This video is sponsored by Tilliard. What's going on, Mixon? Today we're going to light up the night with Tilliard's Puddle Lights. I should have been a rapper. That's pretty good. Tesla comes with standard lights so you don't have to step into something icky when you're stepping out of your vehicle. Your vehicle, however, is far from standard, so you have to make it your own with this easy installation. If you go to the site right now, they have a ton of styles you can choose from to customize your nighttime experience. Use my code MIXON to save 35% off your entire purchase. These puddle lights are a bit brighter, and since there are words on the ground, you may notice them even more. It's a subtle yet fun change to enhance your Tesla experience. By the way, if you're not familiar with me, I am Nathen Mixon. By all means, consider subscribing so you can check out my Tesla videos and also wellness videos too as well. And I also have a merch line, so make sure you check that out and stay fly at the same time. Now the install is fairly easy. In your box, you're gonna find two lights. From the looks of things, it looks to be an easy swap. For this installation, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, by the way. Come out to your car, open the door. Directly under it, you're gonna find a standard puddle light on your Tesla. Grab the screwdriver and insert it into the dip in the puddle light. Apply a little pressure and it comes right out. From here, you're gonna unplug your kit using your fingers or a screwdriver, and the first step is complete. Once you have it plugged up, stuff the wire in the hole and pop the light back on and you're done. This is by far the easiest installation. Install the rest of your lights and you are finito. That means done. Yeah, that looks nice. Now this is a fun way to tell the people what kind of car you actually drive, because some people may not recognize a Tesla. You can see it pretty well in the daytime, but it's definitely gonna shine super bright in the night. Big shout out to Tilliard for sponsoring this video. Mixon, that is the code, 35% off. Go there, shop till you drop. In the comment section below, let me know if you like the new enhancement that I just did to my Tesla Model Y. And by all means, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and pick up some merch. All the information will be down in the description below. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.